On Akash here. Everybody always asks me. A lot of people always ask me, "Is it baby shampoo is good for you?" Let's give it an example of it. This is Johnson baby shampoo. What's the first thing you see when you see this shampoo? It says improved formula, no more tears, and it has as gentle to eyes as a pure water. As gentle to your eyes as pure water. And if you look at in the back, the level, it is like no soap, 100% soap free. You know, it has like dermatologist tested, so you understand like this is like less and less chemical possible because you're gonna use it on baby. So some people ask me, can I use a baby shampoo? So that has a less chemical in it, as good for your hair. Absolutely, if you have to compare a regular shampoo than a baby shampoo, but it's really depend on your hair situation, man and women both. You know, why you wanted to use a baby shampoo? Are you thinning out your hair? You're losing your hair, and you every time you take a shower you're seeing your hair like falling off pretty fast? Then I don't think just a baby shampoo has a less chemical not gonna help you. You need something more stronger than just a baby shampoo. So let's give it an example. Let's say you get a baby shampoo, okay, and you start to recently losing hair. So why don't you use something like some kind of essence, hair essence to it, to help you regrow your hair and help you less hair fall? Like example, LANBENA. If you didn't hear about this product, you could check it on my channel. This is pure ginger, and there's 8 different natural ingredients in it, no side effect, nothing. What you do with this, you pour into your shampoo. I'm not telling you have to get a Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. Any baby shampoo you get it. Again, Johnson & Johnson, you know, their products are really good, so you know you got to take that in count. So if you get this, you put 3 drops into like 10-ounce shampoo. If it's 20-ounce shampoo, 6 drop. 30-ounce shampoo, you put 9 drops. This is pure ginger, and like I said, 8 different natural ingredients in it. So you shake it well. So now you have a shampoo with a less like chemical and everything. Also you put something to help your hair regrow really fast and naturally and stop hair fall. So again, if your hair situation is bad, I would definitely recommend using this with any kind of baby shampoo, and any shampoo, even not a baby shampoo, any shampoo you personally using it, and if it's helping you, definitely get that to it. You're gonna see a significant difference to your hair. Stop hair loss and everything. Again, if you don't want to do this, there's even a third better option you have, is to get a completely natural shampoo which could help your hair. You know, that's gonna be better than the baby shampoo. Like you give example, Savage anti-hair loss shampoo. This is made with pure ginger. So what pure ginger gonna is, there has no side effect to it, and ginger is really good for your hair, as we all know. So you're not going for less chemical or to put something really pure into it and using it. You're getting exactly, you know, like 100% pure ginger shampoo. Again, you could get a baby shampoo, you know, it has less chemical in it, but I would definitely recommend just get one of these, put it in there. That's gonna further help you with your hair. So that's it. So always ask me, can I use baby shampoo? Yeah, of course you could use baby shampoo then compared to if you're using chemical shampoo. So hope this video is helpful to you. Again, check out my channel. All hair growth products is there. Some of the great product, even a home remedy you could make and you could use it for your hair is there. Some of the great hair oil, that pure 100% oil that could help you. In detailed video I have it in my channel, you could check it out. And some of the, you know, like really strong hair product, depending on your hair situation, how bad it is, you could check it out there. All hair growth product. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button. Thank you so much.